Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly to System.io. This integration allows you to seamlessly embed your scheduling calendar directly into your System.io pages, making it incredibly easy for clients and customers to book appointments with you without leaving your site. First, head over to Calendly.com and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in with the account that contains the scheduling event you want to embed. This step is essential because you'll need access to your Calendly dashboard to grab the embed code. Once you're logged in and viewing the homepage, you'll see your Calendly scheduling displayed on the screen. This is where all your event types are listed and managed. Look for the specific scheduling event you want to integrate, and you'll notice 3 dots positioned right beside it. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From that drop-down menu, select Add to Website. This option is specifically designed to help you share your scheduling link across different platforms and embed it wherever you need. Calendly makes this process straightforward by providing you with different embedding methods depending on how you want your calendar to appear. Next, you'll be presented with a few embedding options. Click on Inline Embed to proceed. The Inline Embed option ensures that your calendar appears directly on your page rather than opening in a pop or new tab, creating a smoother experience for your visitors. After selecting Inline Embed, click Continue to move forward with generating your embed code. Now you'll see a preview of how your calendar will look, along with the embed code itself. Click Copy Code to copy the entire HTML snippet to your clipboard. This code contains all the necessary instructions for displaying your Calendly scheduling interface on your System.io page. With your code copied, it's time to switch over to your System.io account. Navigate to the page where you want to add your Calendly calendar. On the left side of the editor, you'll find various elements you can add to your page. Locate the raw HTML element and drag it onto your page. This element allows you to insert custom code, which is exactly what we need for the Calendly integration. After dragging the raw HTML element onto your page, click on it to activate the editing options. On the left side panel, you'll see a button that says Edit Code. Click on it to open the code editor where you can paste your custom HTML. Now paste the embedded code that you copied from Calendly directly into this editor. Make sure the entire code is pasted correctly without any missing characters. Once you've pasted it, click Save to lock in your changes. The system will now recognize and display your Calendly scheduling interface within that HTML element. At this point, you're almost done. Look at the upper right corner of your System.io editor and click Save to ensure all your page changes are stored. This step is crucial because without saving, your Calendly integration won't be published or visible to your visitors. Finally, to make sure everything looks perfect, click the right arrow icon located near the Save button to preview your page. This preview allows you to see exactly how your Calendly calendar will appear to your audience and ensures that the integration is working smoothly. If everything displays correctly, your Calendly scheduling is now fully integrated into your System.io page. And there you have it, a seamless integration that allows your visitors to book appointments directly from your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.